Key types of learning styles explained. Not everyone learns the same way. Educators and others who present information to learners can enhance the effectiveness of their lesson plans and instructional activities by incorporating strategies that appeal to students across all types of learning styles. Visual learners absorb information best through visual aids like charts, graphs, and diagrams. They rely on spatial representations to understand complex concepts. Using color-coded notes and flashcards can further enhance their understanding by making information visually appealing and easier to recall. Computer-based training modules and interactive visual aids can also play a crucial role in enhancing their comprehension by providing dynamic and engaging learning experiences. Additionally, organizing material in a visually structured manner encourages visual learners to examine information closely, while memory tools like visual chains and mnemonic devices can aid in long-term retention. Auditory learners, on the other hand, thrive on auditory input. They gain the most knowledge from what they hear, making lecture and discussion methods particularly effective for their learning style. Incorporating music or other forms of sound into teaching strategies can also be beneficial for auditory learners, as it helps them engage with the material more effectively. Encouraging them to summarize orally what they have read and utilizing funny jingles or poems can further enhance their retention of important information. Videos or audio recordings provide auditory learners with additional opportunities to reinforce their learning, while study groups and debates allow them to engage in auditory-based discussions and deepen their understanding through verbal interaction. Physical learners, also known as tactile or kinesthetic learners, learn best through hands-on activities and movement. They rely on physical experiences to understand abstract concepts, making it essential to incorporate interactive and experiential learning opportunities into their education. When comprehending textbook material, tactile learners benefit from physically engaging with the material, such as by getting up and moving around the room while reading or using their hands to manipulate objects related to the content. Computer usage can also aid tactile learners by allowing them to utilize their sense of touch through interactive simulations or virtual experiences. Additionally, concentration can be improved by providing tactile learners with opportunities to engage in physical movement while learning, such as tapping their feet or exaggerating lip movements, as well as incorporating auditory sources that they can listen to while moving around. Verbal learners excel in activities involving language, including reading, writing, and speaking. They learn best when provided with opportunities to discuss, explain, present, or write about the information they are learning. Writing essays, journaling, and summarizing content are particularly effective activities for verbal learners, as they allow them to engage with the material through written expression. Outlining textbook content or notes can also be beneficial, as it provides verbal learners with a structured framework for organizing information. Presenting information aloud, such as through reading essays or delivering speeches, allows verbal learners to reinforce their understanding through verbal expression, while word games like crossword puzzles and word searches provide enjoyable and effective ways to engage with language-based content. Logical, mathematical learners thrive on logical reasoning and structured approaches to learning. They learn best when presented with organized information and practical examples that demonstrate the application of concepts in real-world contexts. When presenting verbal content to students, organizing it in ways that show the relationships between different concepts helps logical learners understand the underlying logic behind the information. Including data and statistics relevant to the subject matter providing specific examples of how the information can be used, and assigning projects or worksheets that involve sorting or organizing information into categories further support their learning style. Additionally, content analysis projects in which students seek out occurrences within the text allow logical learners to apply their analytical skills and deepen their understanding through hands-on exploration of the material. Social learners, also known as interpersonal learners, thrive in collaborative learning environments. They learn best when they have opportunities to collaborate and engage with others as they are learning. Group projects, discussions, and team activities provide social learners with opportunities to share perspectives, discover what others think, and engage in collaborative problem solving. Working with study buddies or participating in study groups allows social learners to interact with peers and benefit from social learning experiences. In remote learning environments, video conferencing and online collaboration tools play a crucial role in facilitating social interaction and collaboration among learners, allowing them to engage with their peers and benefit from collaborative learning experiences. Solitary learners, also known as intrapersonal learners, prefer to learn individually rather than through collaboration with others. They thrive in independent study environments where they can focus on their own learning goals and preferences. Assignments and activities that can be completed individually are particularly effective for solitary learners, as they allow them to work at their own pace and in their own way. When assigning group work, providing clear guidelines and specifying the amount of time allocated to the activity helps solitary learners manage their time effectively and plan their independent study sessions accordingly. Offering choices in collaborative activities allows solitary learners to decide whether they prefer to work alone or with others, respecting their individual learning preferences and autonomy. Meeting the diverse needs of learners requires differentiated instructional strategies that incorporate elements appealing to all learning styles. By recognizing and accommodating the unique preferences and strengths of each learner, educators can create inclusive learning environments that maximize student engagement, motivation, and achievement. Ultimately, developing a well-rounded approach to learning that integrates various instructional methods and caters to diverse learning styles ensures that all students have the opportunity to succeed and reach their full potential.
All right, humans. That's it for today. Remember, it is not about the views, it's about how we achieve personal development. I will keep posting videos about how we can grow together. Please subscribe to the channel. Let's support each other's journey. Always feel free to ask questions in the comments. I will try to help in the best way I can. Have a great growth day.